Hey guys, it's Robsy from Paperless X. I am excited to be your instructor for this Notability 14 course where we'll be going through everything you need to know to master and get the most out of Notability on your iPad. The app's homepage is divided into two columns. The left smaller column contains all the folders you have in the app, and the right one is for your notebooks. A folder in Notability is called a divider when it contains other folders in it. And it's called a subject when it only contains notebooks. The notebooks in folders appear on the right column when you tap on a folder. Your dividers are indicated by arrows, which sort of signals you that it's going to have a drop-down menu, which is the effect it has. And your subjects have dots of different colors for a minimalist look. But you can make your subjects more colorful if you prefer that by going to the settings icon and under themes, you can then turn on colorful subjects.